up, people? It is August 17th.
Oh, we are here.
You see
Sturgis Playground. We came to my hometown, posted out in front, 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock p.m. today. We are super excited to be wrapping up the tour today. We have over 250 book bags to give out today. And
almost
100
close
gifts
to
of
300.
appreciation. Yes. We've had a lot of awesome partnerships, but we are super excited for today's event and just to give back to the city of brotherly love.
Here we go.
Yo,
Philly, here we are.
it's getting ready to go down, y'all. Y'all got to check out all this footage. I love y'all. Appreciate all the support. We love you from the bottom of our hearts. And we can't wait to see you 2020, y'all. 2020.
It's called a tour for a reason. Stay tuned.
Will we be in your city next?
I did.
I see how you want to play. Don't you want to play like that? Taking all this. Move over there. No, let me look cute.
Hi, my name is Sharon McNeil. I'm a program director of Faith in God Family Restoration Corporation, and it is grateful to be here at the In My Bag Book Bag Tour for 2019. It is great to be able to support the children in the community and to have so many young volunteers. So thank you guys for showing up and everyone who donated.
I enjoyed myself. It was a good turnout. I hope more people come in so we can continue to help people out and help the kids. So it's fun. The future is now. We were the future, and the future is now with these kids. And I'm just glad to help them in any part that we can, anything that we can do to be a part of that. I appreciate it.
Thank y'all for coming out. We really appreciate it. Know that everybody's doing well, and just do what you want in life. That's all I gotta say. And just keep pushing. Keep pushing.
Hi, I'm Jody. This is my first time volunteering at In My Bag Tour, and I'm really excited to be part of this organization.
Hi, I'm Bridget. I came from Virginia to help out teaching and volunteer with the tour. I'm glad I came out. It was a great event.
Hi, I'm Charmaine
Charmaine Newman with Fig at the In My Bag Tour. We're having a great event, great time, and hopefully you guys can come out next time.
All right, how you doing? We having a book bag drive today. In My Bag Tour for my man Corey. Came out to volunteer, help the kids. It's a good cause, giving out book bags. We got a lot of programs going on at the park. Stop by today from 3 to 5 and we'll be here giving out bags and treats.
Okay, bro, that was... Alright, like my man said, we are here volunteering for the In My Bag Tour. We got 350 book bags that we're giving out across 2 cities, Danville and Philadelphia, supporting the kids, helping them to accomplish their goals throughout the school year.
Yes, sir.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
See, we got fitness and fun, we got arts and academics, life and unity, everything free, it's all free except for the fitness and fun. You gotta pay for that. The highest one is football, that's $220. I know, that's $120, my bad. And that's about it. Thank you.
Hello, we are at Sturgis Rec with In Your Bag Book Tour. We are part of the Sturgis Rec Center supporting their book bag drive and also talking about the football and the lacrosse program.
All right, hi y'all, welcome. My name is Selena. I'm here with the In My Bag Tour. We're live in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and let me just tell y'all, it is a blessing to be a blessing. This event has been phenomenal so far. Like, I just love being around fellow Hokies doing good for the community. The community came out to support, and I hope you all will too. Moving forward, there's big things ahead for this team, this group, and this tour, all right? All right, looking forward to seeing you at the next event.
Hi, my name is Sylvia Bug, and I am so pleased to be here in Philly at the In My Bag Tour 2019. I am a proud supporter of this event today, and I'm so proud of the young people who have really stepped forth and put all of this together. One of the reasons why I decided to be a part of this, to donate, to help support, is that it's so important for this next generation to see positive examples in our community and the importance of supporting our young people, our students, our educators. And my vision for this organization going forward is that it can scale, and we are really looking forward to having more supporters, more sponsors come on board next year. It's really exciting just to see the positive work that's happening in this community. So I want to just give a shout out to all of the organizers, the founders of this In My Bag Tour 2019, and to just say keep striving, and you're doing a fantastic job. We're so proud of all of you, Corey, Danielle, and Kevin, and just keep up the good work. And again, I'm just so proud to be a part of this because we're investing in the future of our young people. We're appreciative of the educators. I come from a family of educators, and so for us, it's very personal that we see these young people succeed in their vision for this organization.
Hi, my name is Lucrece Irizarry, and I'm the CEO of Faith in God Family Restoration Corporation, and we had a wonderful time today partnering up with In My Bag Tour with Danielle, Corey, and Kevin, and a whole bunch of other people that were very supportive of the event. We gave out approximately 300 book bags with school supplies. We had so many parents and kids coming out, and we were able to thank the teachers as well with appreciation bags. It was the bomb. And we had an on-fire DJ, we had some dancing and line dancing going on, and everybody had such a great time. We also had some water ice and pretzels, and we also had a fraternity and sorority come out. The fraternity was the Kappas, and the sorority was the Deltas. So we had a wonderful time. Everybody is, we cheered everybody on for a successful school year. So we're gonna have another event in the future. Keep your eyes out and your ears open for the next advertisement for the In My Bag Tour.
good time?
Yes! We got a new book bag and we got new stuff inside of it.
Yeah, what'd you get inside your book bag?
Folders, books, reading books, pencil case.
We ready for school.
We are ready for school.
I heard that. What grade are you going to?
First grade.
Yay, let's go. Awesome. What grade are you going to?
First grade.
Yes, you excited? Awesome.
I'm going to first grade.
You going to first grade too?
I'm going in third grade. I'm in first grade.
You're going to third grade. You're in first grade. Okay.
What did you get in your backpack?
Folder and books.
Folder and books?
That means the same.
What'd you get in your backpack, Missy?
Water.
You want to say thank you?
Thank you.
What else did you get?
Thank you.
You say thank you?
Thank you.